This is the AI News Flash for May 19th, 2 p.m. UTC. First up, Microsoft officially announced a new lineup of Surface devices built for business and AI acceleration. The configuration centers on Copilot plus PC certified models that accelerate AI processing, aiming to strengthen the foundation for enterprise agentic AI implementation. The new Surface Pro and Surface Laptop feature Qualcomm Snapdragon X series and Intel Core Ultra chips, delivering up to 50 TOPS of NPU performance. The design optimizes on-device execution of Microsoft 365, Copilot, and Agent 365, minimizing external transmission of confidential data. Microsoft Surface AI for Business is a significant move symbolizing the full-scale enterprise AI PC market, alongside Lenovo's latest ThinkPad generation, Dell's AI PC lineup, and HP's EliteBook series. It aligns with the Windows 11 2026 major update direction shift made in response to AI bloat backlash. It is consistent with Qualcomm CEO Amon's declaration that 2026 will be the year agentic AI becomes mainstream, accelerating the trend of AI PCs taking over the leading role from smartphones. Second up, Apple announced a suite of AI-powered accessibility features and eye-controlled wheelchair functionality. Timed for the eve of Global Accessibility Awareness Day, these will be implemented in iOS 27, iPadOS 27, and macOS 27 in fall 2026. The core feature enables electric wheelchair operation through eye tracking, realized using only the front cameras of iPhone or iPad without additional hardware. It applies spatial AI technology from the Apple Vision platform to significantly support independent mobility for users with specific physical disabilities. The personal voice speech synthesis feature can now clone a user's own voice from just 10 seconds of recording sample, strengthening support for those with speech difficulties such as ALS patients. It maintains privacy protected on-device processing as part of Apple Intelligence. As OpenAI and Microsoft's Copilot Health push into the healthcare consumer AI market, Apple is differentiating in the accessibility domain, appealing to the superiority of its hardware and AI vertical integration strategy. Third up, AI startup Viktor has raised $75 million in funding, according to a Fortune-exclusive report. The company develops virtual coworker agents that reside in Slack and Microsoft Teams, symbolizing the full-scale arrival of the enterprise AI agent market. Viktor's AI agents seamlessly handle automatic message summarization, autonomous meeting preparation, automatic follow-up task management, and knowledge search. Deep integration with Slack API and Microsoft Graph naturally embeds them into existing workflows, serving as the differentiation axis. This marks a phase where emerging players are fully entering the enterprise AI agent market battle for supremacy, alongside Salesforce's Agentforce, Microsoft's Copilot Studio, Google Cloud's Agent Space, and ServiceNow's AI Control Tower. AI startup funding pace is at record highs for the year, with 90% of February's global venture investment of $189 billion going to AI-related companies, and 83% concentrated in the top three. As K-shaped polarization advances, Viktor is drawing institutional investor attention as a new unicorn candidate. Fourth up, a latest survey reported by Fast Company reveals that approximately half of Gen Z perceives that AI is making them dumber than before. This shocking self-assessment by the AI-heavy user generation itself demands a fundamental re-examination of the relationship between education and AI. The survey shows growing awareness that excessive dependence on AI chatbots is causing declines in critical thinking, memory, and writing abilities. MIT Media Lab's ChatGPT user tracking study has confirmed consistent decreases across 3 neuro-linguistic behavioral levels. This represents serious accumulating research on AI's cognitive impact, alongside the Brookings Institution's warning that AI is too good and is causing brain unwiring. BCG and Harvard Business Review's joint research on the AI brainfly phenomenon, with 14% cognitive overload, and Fortune magazine's report on the destruction of brain recovery mechanisms. It serves as crucial academic grounding for the trend of educational institutions and regulators stepping up responses to maintain cognitive abilities in the AI era, including Boston Public Schools' first major U.S. city AI literacy mandate, the University of California's AI education requirement, and Maine's AI therapy license holder restriction law. Fifth up, CNBC published an analysis today raising serious questions about whether the current market has become too imbalanced, even though AI stocks have powered the bull market through multiple threats. This is a critical signal indicating institutional investors are entering a full-scale reconsideration phase of their investment judgments, S&P 500 AI-related stock market capitalization is in an extreme state of concentration exceeding $10 trillion. NVIDIA's market cap surpassed $5.5 trillion for the first time in history. The top 6 companies, including Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta, Amazon, and Broadcom, now occupy over 40% of the index. This is a decisive additional example of the trend toward institutional investor AI caution, alongside Michael Burry's $1.1 billion put option holdings, betting against the AI bubble. Bridgewater's warning of the most dangerous phase, Norway's government pension fund's 35% loss risk estimate, and JP Morgan Assets' long-term value cautious view. Factors including the delayed monetization of the $725 billion 2026 capex boom by 4 hyperscalers, the test of NVIDIA's earnings announcement tomorrow, May 20th, intensified competition from AMD MI455X custom silicon emergence, and the historical precedent of the year 2000 Nasdaq Composite Index 78% crash are bringing the discussion of overall market rebalancing necessity to importance in the institutional investor allocation full-scale selection phase. That's all for this AI news flash.